you love your iPad and you want to get a very powerful keyboard without spending all of the money that you've got to spend on this Magic Keyboard? Well, thankfully, Logitech just released the Folio Touch keyboard, which should do a lot of the same things for almost half of the price. So what comes in the box and what are our initial impressions? Let's find out. And as we're finding out, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Squarespace. What's up, everyone? I'm the Everyday Dad, and if I can figure it out, you can figure it out. So I am beyond excited for this. I mean, heck, how many videos have I made about the Magic Keyboard? A lot. The answer is I've made a lot of videos about this thing, but the biggest complaint I have is it's like 300 bucks. Like, you take an iPad, even my iPad 11, you put this keyboard on it and you're talking MacBook levels of cost. So let's see what Logitech has come up with. I didn't even know this was a thing. You guys in the comments, let me know about this thing. And so I bought this on Apple's website and it's here now. So let's crack it open. So I did get the Folio Touch. It's for the iPad Pro 11-inch first and second generations. We'll use it on my second generation. Looks pretty cool. I mean, look, this guy looks happy. This guy's watching a movie. He's watching movies and videos. He should be watching Everyday Dad videos. Sketch and take notes, so we'll type and navigate. It looks like it's got function keys. I'm very excited. Backlit keyboard, trackpad, iOS shortcut keys. Keyboard connects via smart connector and adjustable viewing angles. That's awesome. It's made for iPad. Hooray! So let's crack this sucker open. I'm excited. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. All we have got is the keyboard itself. Ooh, and we've got instructions and you have to ruin the box to get the instructions off. Thanks, Logitech. That's kind of frustrating. Just put it in there. I keep all the boxes for all of my stuff, so it's important to me to keep the boxes like nice and pristine. That kind of irritates me. And it's like, how do I get this stuff out of here? I see that it's like perforated right here, but it's not coming up on the perforation. Wow, congratulations to Logitech for making a very irritating user guide that doesn't even really do anything. Okay, we're back in happy mode. We're in happy mode, hooray! So here is the keyboard. Man, it feels good. I gotta give it credit that this keyboard feels fantastic. It kind of feels like the Folio keyboard, but it really is nice, and it looks more protective than the Magic Keyboard, and we'll do a full video comparing the two next week. It looks like it's actually a protector and not just a keyboard. It's got the cutout for the cameras. I think your pencil just goes over here. I thought there was didn't it say that there was a holder for the pencil? No, okay, the pencil fits right here. Here, hold on. I rarely ever use this thing. Okay, so the pencil will go right here, and then this magnet will close down over it. And that is a magnet. Okay, I like it. I like it. Seems pretty good so far. Let's open this thing up. Okay, Folio Touch. The smart connector, Logi, for Logitech, I get it. Okay, it's got cutouts for the buttons. It feels really nice. This feels nice. One of the things that I don't like about the Magic Keyboard is just kind of how fingerprint prone it can be because of the plastic that is built on it. But this does not feel too shabby. Those keys. Logitech, you know where to get me. It's the keyboard that sells me on any device, and this keyboard feels... That's a good feeling keyboard. And it feels, maybe I'm crazy, it feels just as good as the Magic Keyboard. That feels fantastic. The trackpad feels very good and clicky. It actually is a physical click. But both sides feel good. This is a very good trackpad too. It's very big compared to the body. It feels good. There's no one side feels clickier than the other. That feels pretty darn good. Keys we already said are good. I really like, another main thing that is missing from the Magic Keyboard are the function keys. Look at this. This has all of the main function keys. Lock screen, volume, playback, brightness, search. I don't know what that one is. We'll have a keyboard. Maybe this brings up the electronic keyboard, but no, this thing feels amazing. So let's pop the iPad in here. Okay, and you saw that took seconds to make happen. I was kind of nervous that because this was like a protective case that it might be kind of hard to get in there. But no, it popped in there really quickly. Another thing that I really like is, look at that. It works laying flat. How awesome is that? The answer to that is incredibly awesome. Wait, we don't need to slide that down. We've got keys to bring that up. That is awesome. I love function keys. The function keys work great. How's the typing experience? Whoops, I keep locking it though. That's gonna be a frustrating button right there. I'll tell you that right now. I've already locked it on accident twice, and we've only had this open for like a second. So, hey, here's the typing experience on the Logitech Folio Touch keyboard for the iPad Pro 2020 and 2018. It feels pretty good. That is a solid typing experience. The only thing that I do not like so far about the keyboard layout is this locked so close to the delete key. Like I mess up typing all the time. Like I'm not a perfect typist no matter how much I do actually type, and I'll hit this a lot. I kind of wish maybe this was in the middle. What else? What do these function keys do? This brings up all your active apps. Makes sense. Obviously, we already saw the brightness. This does bring up the digital keyboard, search. I don't know what this one does. Play, volume, obviously, the volume. Yep. Mute, and lock. The trackpad is pretty accurate. It's got all of the same gestures. We've also got all the normal keyboard stuff. We've got the option, command, control, what I use most, the GIF button. That's what I call it. I don't know that it actually is the GIF button, but it's what I use it for on Twitter. Yeah, I really like this. Things that I am kind of disappointed about so far is there is no additional USB-C slot, so you are still limited to the one that comes on the iPad itself. It does look pretty robust though. It feels kind of heavy though. I do like the... When it comes to build quality, I do think the build quality is pretty good. I like that it does feel a little more protective. It feels, if it's a little bit heavier than the Magic Keyboard, I can't really tell. I don't like this. Look at that. Like now it's not working. The magnet only seems to work when you don't have the pencil on. So there's the pencil. Now it doesn't work. It kind of works. Okay, so there's a very specific spot. So you can't just slap it or it doesn't work. You have to be very... So it looks like there's two magnets built into this thing. So look, there's a magnet here for where it will close when you don't have the keyboard, but then there's also a magnet back a little further away. So you'll have to know that if you're gonna use the pencil, you can't just slap it down. You'll have to be deliberate in that you're putting it right there. But build quality feels fine. The button cutouts are okay. They do feel a little stiff, but what's nice is if you're gonna be doing this, you'll have all these function keys anyway, so are you gonna use these? I probably will not. How does it... Okay, I was gonna say that's kinda irritating, but it also has a magnet back here to keep that out of the way. How can we set this up? So you can set this to go as low as that. Does it have presets, or does it just like let you go wherever? Okay, it kind of just lets you go wherever you want to go. It doesn't feel like there's a preset built into there. Okay, I like that. And I also really like that it can lay flat. That's an amazing feature because it does give you a little more functionality, but it also looks like you could set it up if you wanted to like put the keyboard down. It is an option that they put on the box. Like it puts on the box to do this. So if you just want to look at the iPad, you can put the keyboard straight down. I don't know that I would ever do that, but it's an option. Thanks for giving us the option. Okay, so yeah, initial impressions, I like it. It's not perfect. There are a few little niggles about it that I don't like. One being there's no additional USB-C. The magnet is a little wonky. It's a little wonky. And when it comes to typing, the thing that I don't like is that the lock key is right here. But everything else, for half the price of the Magic Keyboard, I think this is gonna be a winner. We'll have to make some more content about this. We'll try it out, see some things, and use it for some video production, use it for typing some scripts, typing some big emails. We'll put this through its paces and bring you content. And let me know if there's anything specific that you'd like to see out of the Logitech Folio Touch keyboard. Leave me a comment down below and we will check it out. And thanks to today's sponsor, Squarespace, you can create your own very beautiful website. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a professional website online store, or portfolio. It's easy to claim a domain/URL, create a custom site that matches your style, and bring your ideas to life. Head over to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/everydaydad to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks for watching.